Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices and your accounts so casting will work reliably. Make sure your Apple TV app is signed in and permissions are granted on your phone. This lets the app find local devices. Connect the Apple TV and the Chromecast to the same Wi-Fi network and confirm both are online. Once done, open Google Home to verify Chromecast appears. Then open the Apple TV app so you can initiate playback and route audio and video through casting controls. You now bridge the ecosystem. Pick content in the Apple TV app and start playback. Tap the cast icon, if present, or use your device's screen mirror function, then select the Chromecast from the device list. This creates an AirPlay-like stream. The Chromecast receives the video while the phone controls playback. Make sure to switch the audio output within the app or your phone's controls so sound routes to the TV or an external speaker for sync and volume consistency. You finish by validating the cast and handling common failures. Watch for sync or buffering, pause then resume to test stability. If the stream stutters, reboot the Chromecast and router and close other apps that use bandwidth. This often clears congestion. Make sure both the Apple TV app and Google Home are up to date. If problems persist, connect Chromecast via Ethernet or lower stream quality in the app. One key tip: test with a short clip first to confirm fixes before a long movie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.